All right, it's time to experiment with putting ice and water shield on the very shallow roof of the library, because we figured that would probably be better than the felt paper since there's a history of water damage.
And that beam, that temporary beam I put, every now and then I'll go in there and see if I can get another crank on it.
Yeah.
I've got it now to where that roof is now straight all the way across.
I didn't even notice when we were up there.
Yeah, take a look when you get up there. You'll notice that, how straight it is now.
We were already up there once debating about all the proper procedure.
Procedures and...
So the jack's in there. Oh yeah, that's nice and flat.
Yeah. See,
far better than the Bowden state it was before.
Oh yeah, that's straightened that right out now.
And our repairs in the previous video did a good job of stiffening up this overhang. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall off when you step on it.
Nope. This is the water and ice shield.
Yeah. This is like a $130 experiment I'm doing, because I'm paying for the roofing above the library since it's going to be my room. Then you're paying for everything else, because I don't want to pay for everything. I've never used this stuff before. Yeah, I guess it is 2 sheets, and so from what I've heard, you put it down, and I think we can use roofing nails to hold it down. Then you take that peel and stick layer and pull it out at 90 degrees, and that will, is that right?
Yep, adhere it.
Because you're like a vinyl expert, right? You did vinyl signs?
Yes, I've put on large sheets of vinyl before, so yeah, it's like a peel and stick kind of thing, just real large.
And you've already put down the drip edge.
Drip edge. Now, the drip edge for the sides, we're going to put this down, and then the drip edge for the sides will go on top of this.
Okay, so on the bottom,
that's one thing I've heard.
So this goes over that drip edge and then under that drip edge.
So any water goes off the front, and then if there's any water to get into the side, in between the shingles and the drip edge, it will then go on top of this, as opposed to having the drip edge here, this over the top, and then if anything gets in between, it'll then be on the wood, which we don't want.
Makes sense. We're just trying to make sure we do this all right.
Yeah, so and that's where our previous experiment on the side comes in. We've kind of taken everything we've learned and did wrong about that, and we're going to apply that to the rest of the roof.
And now he's referring to the first roofing video we did, which was that one.
Because technically there were some mistakes made over there.
Yeah.
But thankfully it was a small area, and now we've learned what we're supposed to do.
I think this might be just a few hour thing.
Yeah, this stuff is, you can see how big it is. It's going to go on pretty quick.
Well, let's get started. And I'm using, let's see, Carlisle Whip 100. Was that? Oh, water and ice protection.
Yep.
I thought it was like work in progress. Work in progress? What the fuck are you talking about? What do I pay money for this for?
WIP 100. All right, so I'm going to make a cut there, and then I'm going to make a cut down there.
Oh, I see what down there.
And then we'll just connect our cuts.
You're the smart vinyl guy, Phil.
Because it's pretty well... Because it's pretty well straight rough, so...
Yeah, it works. Yeah, so we really lucked out on weather. This is December 26th, and it's like summer weather. But that's only because of big storms coming in. Perfect. But you're a good painter and everything, so it's no surprise you can do a good straight line.
Yep, there's our first piece. Looks like you got to pull your way a little bit. There we go. How are you? You got a tiny bit of overlap on the end there?
Yeah, like a 1/4 inch.
Yeah, I got that here too. Really?
Get up. Get up. You got that?
Let me get behind you.
Any other than weight? That's how you do it. Let's make sure we're down right over here.
bring you up on top. You're getting it all, though. Yeah, you got it all.
Since we're complete idiots about this, we've decided that for the nails, we're going to, for the top part of each of the bottom piece, we'll put one on each end, and on the bottom we'll put one every like 4 feet, just so it won't come up.
It is sticking really pretty good.
Yeah, it's actually quite sticky.
And then we should probably sweep as we go along too.
And then from now on, with the other ones, we can put some. Yeah, we might just do it one every 4 feet, just so, because we're gonna have some nasty winds coming up, and we don't want it to rip up. The best way to detect nails is also the same way to find Legos. Walk barefoot. Your way a little more?
I'm overhanging already.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. I actually have one here too. Slow and steady when it's not great.
Over there. Must be more, do we just leave it?
Yeah.
It's probably just fine. Is that okay?
Yep, I think we're... Kind of.
Shame we can't use this for something.
That plastic?
Yeah, it's a lot of nice plastic.
You know, do we even need it though?
I think it'd be a good idea.
On the box.
What you doing there, bud?
I'm taking what I was going to trim this a little bit, but the instructions on the box actually said that you can fold it over if it's being covered by a piece of metal.
I like that.
Which ours is going to be.
I like that a lot. So we'll give an extra 1/2 inch or so. Ugh.
Now we didn't leave a lot to fold over because originally
every time I step on that, I'm about to fall in the library.
we didn't leave a lot to fold over, but the little bit we have, we might as well use. This freaking roof has never been so sealed.
Wouldn't it be sad if, like in 1925, they put like a slate roof on this, but then in the 1950s, someone like upsold them, like, oh, you don't want to have a slate roof, you want to have a shingle roof for the future.
The newest and latest stuff.
If we find an old picture of this damn house and there's a slate roof on this thing, we're gonna be like, motherfucker, where do they put that in the landfill?
Yeah, so we can go to that.
Because I wouldn't doubt it. If they paint over beautiful wooden doors, they'll probably do that. Debris. that down, it's fine.
Yeah.
Look at that.
This is going down real well.
I'm standing on it. We were going funky there for a little bit, but then it went okay. It's just weird how it does this. It's so cool. Alright,
We'll be out here in the rain. And
at that point, it's not me. Or, don't get to that point.
kind of smush that glue down.
Yeah. It's very nice.
Here and there anyway, but
You know, I saw a few people post videos, like professionals, and they had like ripples in these things and looked
really?
terrible. Like they was all buckled up. But that's perfect.
yeah, the smoother the better.
Well, you need it to lock. I don't know why they were doing it like that. Maybe they're just half-assing it.
Any little ripples, all that means is the adhesive isn't touching anything.
Yeah. But that's perfect.
No, not that. We're so perfect it ain't gonna happen, but
Damn it.
man, we're doing real good.
Another pokey nail bit. Anything bad over there, right?
Supposed to be all right. Hey, wherever you are.
You know, this is going so well. I don't even know, like, what to film. People keep honking at us because it seems like half the challenge is looking at buying this abandoned house, and then
I was just gonna make the joke. He probably looked at the place
Yeah.
at one time. 'Cause everybody's.
we bring it up to someone. Oh yeah, I looked at buying that house. Oh yeah, I looked at buying the house. Well, why didn't you? Well, because it was a piece of shit. Like, yeah, we're finding that out. But we're taming it, so. Oh, that can go up quite a bit.
There. Oh, you're going the opposite way now.
Yeah, should I?
You can if you want.
I feel like mixing things up.
That box in the way? I guess
Lest
not.
my viewers get bored. Now this is how you get the best tar sealant. And you gotta do a flip for it.
Yeah, that's. I've had that happen in the long run where it starts to split like that.
Look at that. Why can't this be the roof? I really like that, bending it over.
It's just that much more sealant.
Yeah.
And then we've got the drip edge yet going on top of that.
Yeah, the drip edge
So
will
any
hold
water
that.
getting in between the shingle and the drip edge is going to go right on top of that, and no wood will get wet.
I should do the top part first.
Okay.
Top part of this overlaps a bit, so. You know, maybe that was what was causing the issues. smooth.
The long pole.
Oh, the wind's doing it for me.
Yeah.
Look at that. This is so enjoyable. I'm loving this.
Thought we had taken this thing to what?
What's that sound?
Something. I heard something fall. No, it wasn't the window.
Weird.
You know, I hear stuff at night sometimes. And it's like, what the hell was that?
Ghosts.
Yeah.
They're all ghosts.
I mean, the furnace makes a nice thump every now and then, every time it shuts off.
Well guys, look at that. Some felt paper just magically appeared. So now we can continue doing that.
How's your overhang?
I got about an inch, maybe more.
Just right there.
There we go. Thanks for reminding me.
Oh, nice.
Put a roll from the top, okay? Well guys, what do you think of our roofing job? Our little experiment. I really like this.
I do too.
Yep. And putting the felt paper over this won't be much of a problem at all. Oh yeah, we still have to bend this stuff down. You want to do that? Well guys, that's pretty much it. This is a little experiment of how ice and water shield will work differently than the felt paper, because obviously felt paper wasn't working very well, and this is practically a flat roof. So of course shingles won't work too well. This is all mostly just temporary. We want to last for a few years until we can afford metal. But for now, I think this is a good idea. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.